How reliable do you think ChatGPT is when you type in your request in the prompt box? What kind of data does ChatGPT use for its responses? This week, the Calcutta High Court, in a suit filed against OpenAI, threw a spotlight on how big AI models are being used in real-world decisions and raised serious questions about fairness and data reliability. So IndiaMART's grievance was that the respondents here, that is OpenAI, specifically and consciously excluded IndiaMART from being shown on their ChatGPT services. The question here is, why would ChatGPT respond in this way? Well, IndiaMART alleges that ChatGPT is relying on a report of the United States Trade Representatives. This report is a review of entities who either facilitate or benefit from piracy and counterfeiting. And because of ChatGPT's reliance on this US government's report, IndiaMART gets excluded from surfacing or coming up on searches. What adds to their grievances is that there are other names on the report which does not stop ChatGPT from showing them. Artificial intelligence unfortunately does not have verified data all the time, and its training sources are not transparent either. It can give outdated, generic, or use United States heavy information sources which might not be recognized in a different country, like it happened here. IndiaMART relied on a press release issued by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs too, clarifying that the USTR reports, the ones mentioned earlier, are not binding on India and that the country is under no obligation to act upon them. The court on the face of it agreed that IndiaMART is being selectively discriminated and justifiably excluded without any logic, but refused to grant any interim relief without hearing the opposite party, and has listed it for 13 January 2026. To stay in touch with cases such as this one, visit livelaw.in and keep following us here to stay updated with everything that is law.